In today's video, I'm going to show you what is in this kit. This is my travel kit. Whenever I'm on vacation, I always carry this kit with all my makeup in it. So come along with me, I'll open and show you what's in this kit. I have divided this kit into 5 compartments. One compartment devoted to purely lipsticks, one compartment where I keep my beauty blender, my powder puff, q-tips, cotton pads, and some accessories like sharpener. I keep my sharpener here. One compartment devoted to powder products. This can be compact powder, your setting powder, blush which is in powder formula, and this big compartment I have kept for major stuff like foundation, concealer, big palettes, small palettes, my bronzer palette, and some products which might not fit into these compartments. I fit them here like these lip glosses. So it is very convenient to carry and you can adjust these compartments as per your requirement. And on top we have just 4 small pouches where I fit in my brushes, my lip liners, my eye pencils, mascara. So it's all comfortably fit in here. I also have an option of zip if I am carrying more palettes. I fit them here in this pouch. So from time to time all these products might change in my kit based on the season and the year we are in. I will show you in today's video what is my latest favorite and what am I carrying in my vacation makeup kit. So the foundation I'm carrying these days is a NARS Radiant Foundation. It is a very long wear foundation. It suits well on my skin, and when I am out on vacation, I need to just apply makeup in the morning and I'm out throughout the day. This is one foundation which doesn't budge. I don't need touch up and it stays really long without making my skin look oily. So this is one foundation I'm carrying these days. The concealer is from Natasha Denona. No surprises here. This has been my favorite concealer all this year. And I have seen this has done wonders to my skin in any weather condition. I do not get crease formation under my eye with this concealer. So no matter which destination I'm heading to for vacation, I always carry this in my kit. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer is one of my favorite bronzers, and this is one of the bronzers which I specifically like applying when I'm in vacation. I don't know why, maybe because of the shade it has, and it gives a very bronzy tan kind of finish on my skin which I like the most when I'm on vacation. So this is always in my makeup kit when I'm traveling. Setting powder, no doubts there, my Laura Mercier. This is a travel pack which I often use, and it's so small and easy and convenient to travel, and for sure this doesn't fail you at all. So this is one setting powder I will not travel without. Now the Studio Fix powder from MAC. This is something which has been in my kit, my handbag, my bag for many years. This is one product I cannot do without. This is always in my handbag. And this is very handy and helpful when I need a quick touch up. Maybe I was out throughout the day, I've got a little bit tired, so I'm stepping out for dinner immediately without going back to the hotel to, freshen up. This comes really handy in such situations where I just need a little touch up under my eye and near my nose area where I, get little oily throughout the day. So this is a very good product. I think if you have not used this, I highly recommend start using it, and it's user friendly product. Anybody who is a beginner, never used makeup can always use this product. Moving on to the highlighter, I must confess that I use highlighters very less on my skin. That's because I have textured skin and pores which gets emphasized when I use a highlighter, but this one suits well on my skin. I always carry it, but I do not use it all the time, but it's always there in my kit. This is the highlighter from Nude Stick. This is in the shade Illuminati. Now speaking of blushes, I always keep an option with me. I want to carry a neutral, I want to carry a pink, I want to carry a nude kind of blush or peach kind of blush. So I always carry 3 to 4 blushes with me. I know it might sound a little too much to you, but I don't know what mood I am in which day. I just want to have my options handy. So I have 4 blushes here with me. The one from Milk Makeup. I have spoken about this to you guys. It is a very long lasting blush. That's the reason I want to carry it with me whenever I'm traveling. This is also something that I always keep in my handbag. When the powder blush starts to fade off during the day, I start applying this then. It is a very good product and long lasting blush which will not be achieved through any other product. Hence this is always in my makeup kit and my travel bag. I have 3 more blushes here. This is NARS in the shade Orgasm. This is a pink blush. The days I want the pink blush on me, that's when I use this color. I have this one from MAC. I do not recollect the shade name, but I will link it in the description box. This is one of the blushes I carry with me because this is a little peachy, and I think this shade particular in peach is one of the best blushes I've seen among all the brands we have. Last but not the least, Patrita blush. This is my most favorite blush. It gives me that nude makeup look, and also if you want to have that little rosy kind of cheeks, this blush does that job for me. This is in the shade Not Too Much. This has a powder blush and a cream blush. I do cream blushes very less in occasions, but the powder blush is something I use very often. Again, this cream blush is very good. It doesn't emphasize your textures or pores in the skin, with my skin being little, on the textury side. This doesn't emphasize those, so hence this has been my favorite blush for some months now. Eyeshadows, I do not carry too many eyeshadows with me. Even if I carry, I want to carry something neutral that will go, all day. And I'm a person who wants to just do one color eyeshadow on my eyes when I'm on vacation so that it's quickly done. So I carry some options with me again over here. I want to keep options. As you see, I'm very moody sometimes. Sometimes I don't want this color and I want to use some other color. So I always keep these options with me. So my favorite these days are this eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a perfect palette, guys. If you want to have a super glam makeup look, if you want to have a neutral makeup look, or if you want to, have a soft glam makeup look, it accommodates all those looks because of the shades here. These shades are the most used shades by me. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These are 4 shades I cannot do without. Any day I'm in a hurry, I want to do makeup and run out. Even when I'm at home or on vacation, these are my most go-to shades for daily makeup routine. And then I have this tiny eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. I love these shades from here for which I carry this palette, especially this one here, little burgundish or brownish kind of shade. This is again a very light peachy brown kind of shade, which is again very helpful for neutral makeup. And this shade here, the pink one, it's a very rare shade I think, but it's such a beautiful shade. These are the shades why I carry this palette with me most of the times. I also mostly carry this liquid eyeshadow with me. This is from Armani, and this is such a user-friendly product. When you're really in a hurry that you want to step out, when you're on vacation, you don't have no time to do your makeup, you want something long-lasting on your eyelids, this is the product. So I mostly carry this with me to quickly do a soft glam eye makeup look and step out. It's a very, very good product, guys. If you get a chance to buy, you should buy this. Now moving on to lipsticks. I must say I'm a sucker for lipsticks. The number of lipsticks I have, the number of shades I have, I still feel they're very less. And the same thing happens when I'm traveling on vacation. I want to have a huge collection with me when I'm traveling so that anytime I have any kind of mood, I have that option available. So I try and travel with all these lip shades with me. Something in the red family, something in the pink family, something in the brown family, in the nude ones. So I want to have all these options handy with me. So these are my lipstick collections I always travel with. I'll swatch each of them and show it to you. This is a lipstick from Huda Beauty. This is a red lipstick, liquid lipstick. It is a very nice orangey red, which goes perfect when you're on vacation. It looks very nice and happy on the face when you apply it. I'll swatch this one here. You see? It's not a very traditional red. It has a little bit of orange in it and also a red in it. So it satisfies me with a red kind of lipstick look I want to achieve some days. This one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is called Night Crimson. This is a shade I prefer wearing in the night. It is a very beautiful plum kind of shade. Perfect for a night dinner or date night. And the texture of this lipstick is so amazing. So rich in cream formula. And it is also long lasting. It doesn't budge. It doesn't stick or transfer. So this has been one of my favorite lipstick for darker shades. Another Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, nude shade. It's a very beautiful nude shade, a very pink kind of shade, but also not very pink. I think it's a perfect shade when you want a nude lipstick. This is called Nude Romance. If I have to carry a lipstick in pink family, without doubt, I go for this one from Charlotte Tilbury again, Pillow Talk in medium. I just love this shade, and you can play along with the shade so much. If you want to make it subtle, you can make it subtle. If you want to make it a little, darker and make it stand out, you can also do that. This is one of my favorite pink shades. This is from NARS. This looked a little peachy when I apply on lips, so I carry this with me. But it is a very good formula, so lightweight, and the cream is so good hydrating on lips. So this range of lipsticks from NARS are really nice. I love this brown from Tom Ford. This is called Equus. It's a very neutral color. You can build up this color, but it is a color which can go with a lot of outfits and occasions. So this is a must lipstick I carry in my makeup kit every time. This last shade from NARS is called Bahama. It is a lip crayon. It is a shade mix of brown and mauve. I feel it is a very different kind of shade and also very long lasting and hydrating lipstick, which is always in my bag these days. Now moving on to lip glosses, I carry these two lip glosses most of the times with me. One from Huda Beauty Faux Filler and the other one from Dior. Guys, if you have been enjoying watching my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done yet. Now coming to lip liners, this is a latest discovery I have made. I got them when I was traveling to Japan. It's not available in India, but they're such beautiful long lasting shades. I have these three shades which can go with any color of lipstick. I have this one which is little in nuder side. This is called Wherever Walnut. I used to love this shade from PAC lip liner called Barely Brown. Lately, this has actually taken the place of that lip liner. I'm not able to stop using this lip liner from the time I bought them. This one is called Endless Cacao, a little light in brown shade. A very good contouring kind of color you need on lips and can be worn with any color lipstick. It goes perfect. This last one is called Limitless Brown. Again, this is a very dark brown in shade. This can be worn with any dark lipstick, any color dark lipstick. If it's a red, if it is plum, it is a dark pink, it goes perfect with all those shades which are darker in nature. Moving on to the mascara, no doubts here. I always carry this YSL mascara. It's a very long lasting mascara and also help me define my eyelashes, get that volumized eyelashes and curl eyelashes. If I want to make them dramatic, I can make them dramatic using this mascara. It meets all my requirements, so I always carry this whenever I'm traveling. Eyebrow pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This is something I cannot do without. I must confess that I did not use this for many years, but I started using lately. But I would say this is one of the best eyebrow pencil we have in the market. I do not always wear kajal when I'm on vacation, but I always carry with them just in case I feel like wearing it someday. So I have these two options kept with me always. This one from Faces Canada Intense Gel Kajal, and this one from Makeup Forever in the shade Black. It is a very good kajal, smudge proof and stays very long. And I also carry one brown shade in option. In case I want to have a kajal applied with this brown shade or an eyeliner, it is very helpful. This one from Natasha Denona. I can swatch this and show you. It's a very long wear, doesn't smudge, and it's a very beautiful brown. You can use this like a kajal and also an eyeliner and smudge this. It looks very pretty on the eyelids. It is an intense color. So when you wear this, you don't need actually an eyeshadow. You can always do your eye makeup only with this pencil alone. Quickly moving on to my brushes, I always carry a beauty blender. I think the job is done very quickly using a beauty blender, but sometimes it's not the way you need it, or you need more neatness in your makeup. So sometimes I do use brushes and then a beauty blender. I carry one foundation brush with me all the time. This one from Hourglass. It is a small size brush. I would say it's very convenient to carry when you're traveling. It doesn't take much space in your makeup kit or in your bag, and it is one of the best brushes I have used so far for foundation. So this is always with me in my makeup kit. For concealer, I use this one from Makeup by Mario. You must have seen in my videos. Most of my videos I'm using this for concealer. I just love the way this brush is made. The shape here, the way it's tapered, it is so perfect. It fits in every corner of the eye whenever you need to apply a concealer, and it is a perfect size for every face. I feel a very good concealer brush which I cannot do without, so it's always with me in my makeup kit whenever I'm traveling. For setting powder, I always carry this brush from Real Techniques. It's actually a contour brush, but I use this for setting setting powder. I feel the shape of the brush is so perfect and nice, helps me precisely apply my setting powder whenever I need it and any place I need, and not do it in the places where I don't need it. See the way it sits perfect around your nose, under your eye or the cheek. It is just perfect size, so I cannot do without this brush for setting powder. Again, I have tried various other brushes, but I am not able to move on to those brushes. This blush brush from Pat McGrath has been one of my favorite for many months. I always carry this. And brush number 4 from Refer for bronzer. It is a perfect shaped brush for bronzer. The way it's got angle, I can easily apply bronzer in the place I need without disturbing the other areas of my face. So this brush is always with me. And for eye makeup, I necessarily do not use them all the time, but I always keep them in my kit in case if I need them again anytime. I have 3 sizes of blending brushes. These 3 are my blending brushes for eye makeup, which I keep them all the time handy. I keep this one small eyeshadow brush, which is a little flat. This will help me apply any shimmer I need. And I have these 2 pencil brushes. I always have this habit of applying eyeshadow on my lower waterline like a kajal. So these brushes are very helpful in those times and they're always with me. Like I mentioned, I always carry a sharpener with me because you see a lot of pencil products I have in my makeup kit. This one is from MAC. And guys, most important thing of all, the blotting paper. I always have this blotting paper in my handbag. Every time I'm out of home, I carry this. It's very handy, especially when your skin is oily in nature. Blotting is a must. I must say, after 8-9 hours of foundation, any foundation that you use, your skin tends to get a little oily. You can quickly blot using the paper like this and do a preparation using a Studio Fix powder. So I always carry this blotting paper and the MAC Studio Fix powder in my bag every time I need to quickly get ready or freshen up. These come very handy for me. I do not step out of home, especially when I'm on vacation, without the blotting papers. So this is it. This is my list of the products I always carry when I'm on vacation. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you could take some tips out of this video. I know there are a lot of products, you might not need all of them, but I'm being such a makeup freak. I always want to do makeup and look, semi-glam or glam. I prefer to carry these products with me. You can for sure take some of these in your makeup kit when you're traveling on vacation. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button and do share this video with your friends and family and show some more love to me, guys. Until my next one.